Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to join Marvel Rivals Discord. Alright, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now, once it's open, just go ahead and type in marvelrivals.com. Once done, just hit on enter and you'll be landed to the same exact page. Now, what we're going to do in here is just hover our mouse right here at the very bottom or at the bottom right and just click on Discord. Alright, click on it and wait for it to load. As you can see here, the Discord page pops up. It will ask you for a display name if you don't have a Discord account. Now, if you do have a Discord account, just go ahead and click on already have an account. Click on it. Now go ahead and log in, which I'm going to do right now. All right, as you can see here, it says accepting invite. Just wait for it. And it won't take long. As you can see here, it says welcome to Marvel Rivals. What languages do you speak? Just go ahead and select the languages that you do speak. All right, then hit on next. What region will you play on? Just go ahead and select your region. Hit on next. What platforms do you play? If you play PC, go ahead and select PC. Or if you play both PC and PlayStation, you can go ahead and do so. Or you can go ahead and select all if you want to. All right, I'm just gonna leave PC as is, then hit on next. All right, and this one, you can go ahead and skip it and you can just turn the notifications on or off later. Hit on skip and hit on finish. And there you have it. We just joined the Marvel Rivals Discord. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.